They are bulky, but the cordless lightweight toucan stores easily in a drawer. When you have arthritis, it's hard to open a can. But with Toucan, it does the work for me.
It's gotten harder for me to open cans. But with Toucan, I can do it with the touch of a button.